Is there a reliable free source for Word and Excel? I love these power words because the answer would be so different without those powerful words. Reliable and free. Okay, got that. Um, for a reliable free source of Word and Excel, my two quick answers for you are Google Drive. So inside Google Drive, you have inside your Google account, you have Google Docs for Word and you have Google Sheets for Excel. No, not as feature rich as Excel, but any document that's produced in Google Sheets or Google Docs can be sent to anyone who has Word or Excel and can be opened in Word or Excel. Similarly, if a document is created in Word or Excel and then sent to you, you can open it using Google Docs or Google Sheets, depending if it's a document or a spreadsheet. Just beware that since the capabilities of Google Docs and Google Sheets are not as robust as Microsoft Office, if a document is sent to you that uses those features, you may have difficulties with it when you open it in Google Sheets or Google Docs. There is another reliable free source, same caveats. It doesn't have as many features, but you still can trade back and forth and no big deal. OpenOffice. OpenOffice is free to download and it's legit. It's an open source Office software that you can install on your Windows machine and open up Word files, Excel files, produce documents and spreadsheets and email them to someone who has Microsoft Office and they'll be able to open them with no problem. You'll have some weirdness, like formatting weirdness, going back and forth, but I would assume that in most cases, if you're looking for something free, you're willing to live with a little bit of weirdness.